All right, so we got a 23 CRV. Why do I know that? That's why. And for you remote start guys, or anyone looking to find the BCM, this sucks. This thing is hidden. Right there. Right there. Behind this puppy, which isn't that hard to get to. Behind the dash, which isn't that hard to pull apart. But we found that there is a tab. See that? That puppy right there. So this thing twists upward. Let's see if I can even duplicate what I just did. This thing twists upward. Look, you gotta jam it back up. Alright. Let me see if I can get this thing back up here. I took it out without even knowing. Put it back. There you go. Oh, that's great. Alright, you see me fiddling back there? Let's see, can you get that? You see that moving back there? See my hand? Hello, hello. You see that? We got time for arrows and stuff. Oh, emojis. So that's where it sits. Actually, it isn't that bad to get to. You got long ass arms like me. Like, right? See my thumb? Oh, hi. So I got to figure out how to put this thing back. Where are you? There's like a clip right there. You see these little. Let's pull this guy back down. These right here. These little tabs. If you saw here, let me put this thing back in, and then catch it. Okay, it's back in now. It goes that way. You have to feel all the way up in there. You see my hand? See my hand? See that? You gotta feel for that stupid little lock. And I'm gonna show you. You slide to the left, slide to the right, and now dip, baby, dip. All right, gotta love this little chair. I'm gonna start selling these things soon. So there you have it. You see that lock right there? That's what you got to get to. This guy. Yep. We need brown. I thought it was this thing. I'm like, wait, 57 pin plug. I'm like, there isn't even a brown plug here. Then I look up. I was like, oh no, there's the BCM, which is right there. So it's not that bad. I just need ignition or accessory. Probably could have went to the cigarette lighter. Whatever, dude. So it's a pink wire and brown plug, and I will make sure of it using my handy dandy meter, not this thing. Unless you count. Also has numbers on here. If there's numbers on here, then go by numbers. It's 57. So let's find what this is, and I will find power. Hot is any of these. I looked in this before. These are all hot. Every single one of them. See how I stuck them? I pricked them to make sure that they're hot with this puppy. These wires are thick enough. You can use something like this. These tiny little things. You bet your ass you better get a meter. But listen, this is BCM. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.